Mrs. Fowler here, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm here because this week our art hack is going to be to make paper mache. So I want to do it in my kitchen so I don't get everything all messy. I'm going to need flour and some water. Alright, let's learn this fun new trick. So we're ready to make our paper mache. What I have is a Tupperware container that has a lid. I'm going to make everything right in there because for our paper mache we can keep it for up to a week as long as it's in a closed container. I also have my canister of flour. I have some water, a measuring cup, and a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a spoon or a fork, but I just want to make sure mine is really smooth. To get started, I'm going to open my canister of flour, and I have half a cup that I'm going to use to measure. Scoop up the flour. It doesn't have to be perfect for this recipe. We're not baking. Pour that in the bowl, and now what I'm going to do is I need to get the exact same amount of water. For this recipe, it should be 1:1. You may have to go back and add a little water later, but always start with the 1:1 ratio. Pour that in, and now I'm going to stir. You want to mix it up so it's a lot like pancake batter. It's smooth, it's not sticking to your whisk or your spoon. Just stir, stir, stir. My paper mache is looking a little thick, so what I need to do is add a little bit more water, but not a whole lot. So actually all of the water that we add is going to evaporate once our paper mache project dries, but for now we want it to be a silky texture. Need a little bit more water and a final stir, and I think I have my paper mache ready to go. Now if it gets too watery, you can go back and add a little bit more flour, but remember you don't want to do too much. All right, that looks better. It's not really sticking to my whisk. I'm gonna feel it with my finger just to check. Ooh, nice and silky. There's our paper mache. I'll show you guys how to use this in a little bit, but since I'm not using it right now, I'm gonna cover it with a lid so it doesn't dry out and clean up my mess.